Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending January 23rd, all of the major stock indexes declined slightly in an up and down week as investor, economic, and geopolitical concerns were at the forefront. The pending home sales index was much weaker than expected in December, the weakest since December of 2001. Three regions had double-digit declines: the Northeast, the Midwest, and the West. Overall construction spending was lower in September and October than the prior year. These numbers were delayed due to the government shutdown. Personal income increased in October and November. The personal savings rate declined, however, in October and November as well. The PCE price index was up 0.2% in November, 2.8% year over year. The PCE index is a key measure of inflation used by the Federal Reserve. And finally, the leading economic index was weaker than expected, but is still not pointing to a recession. It is, however, pointing to weaker economic growth this year compared to the last quarters of 2025. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.15%, the S&P is up 1.02%, and the Nasdaq is up 1.12%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.23%. Oil closed at $60.97 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,981.91 an ounce, with silver closing at $102.49 an ounce. For this week of January 26th, Monday we'll get durable goods orders. Tuesday, consumer confidence will be reported. Wednesday we'll get the Fed's decision on interest rates, followed by Fed Chairman Powell's press conference. We do not expect a change in the interest rates at this time. Thursday, initial jobless claims and November's data for the trade deficit, wholesale inventories, and factory orders will be reported. And on Friday, the producer price index for December will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.